A red plastic insert installed in the front sight greatly improves visibility, and it's not that difficult to install. Let's take a look. We're going to install an insert similar to the factory one in this Model 29. I'm using the original as a guide for the new one. This one's about 230 thousandths in length. We use the calipers along with some masking tape to mark the location of the new insert. The last factory serration serves as a guide for the top. A couple of Nicholson files are perfect for cutting the slot. Now we check for proper depth, about 85 thousandths. I'm using a triangular file. Here's the finished dovetail. To ensure the insert stays in place, I use a center punch to dimple the surface. A couple of sharp whacks is all it takes. Now we spray some release agent onto these brass shims. They're used as a fence for the resin material. We simply place a shim on each side of the front sight and clamp them with a pair of vice grips. The insert is made of casting resin. I've made up a small batch just to show you how close we can match the color of a factory insert. This is clear casting resin, and I'm using some red and yellow pigment to get the desired color, along with a bit of hardener to make the material set up. We simply stir it up and check for color. We may have to add more yellow or red dye until we get that perfect hue. Now we can add the hardener. We'll have only a few minutes before it starts to set up. It just takes a few drops. Once it's cured for 24 hours, we remove the brass fences. You can see there's a little extra material. A small file or sharp knife will remove all the excess. The results speak for themselves.